Hi guys, today I'm going to give you a tour on my dollhouse. So the first room that I'm going to show you is the kitchen. So here's the table. So this is his seat, and then that's Barbie's, and those are the two pillows, and that's the fridge. There's a lot of food in there. And then here's a thing so they can wash dishes, and I put dishes here, a little thing so they can cook. And then here's where you put the plates. And there's a laundry room so that Barbie can put all the clothes in there, and then she can start spraying it out so it won't be all pinched. And then next, so then we have the elevator so we can go to the second floor for Barbie's. It's kind of hard because you need a push. So it has a piano and it works. There's a little thing. It has the little paper so so you can see the notes. So you can do that. And then I have this one. This didn't came with it. I had it in my other room, so then I put it in. And then it has this one that's soft. And it came with a sofa. And it has a little rocking chair here. The rocking chair. So Barbie can rock with the house. My grandma did it, but then it started breaking, and then so she glued it, but the glue didn't work. And then the next room is the bathroom. And it came with this shower. I put it here because here's a shower, you see? Shampoo and the waters. Then I put the sink here because you see a sink, and then there's a mirror there. And this little thing is for the girls so they can reach. And then here's a toilet for Barbie and Ken. Closes, but it doesn't make any sound. And then I play, this didn't came with it, but I play like this is the girls' toilet. So, and then the next room to go is you can go to the stairs to the third room. And then you have Barbie here in bed. This didn't came with it, and you have this little drawer here, and then it comes with the lamp. And then next you got this, and then we got the vanity. It has her computer and it opens. See, and then it has a little phone. And then it has a little bracelet. And then it has a chair, but this comes off, but we don't want it to. And then this came, the mirror. The mirror is here, so then Barbie can look at herself when she puts clothes on. And then here's Barbie, and this is the bed. This is how the bed looks. Super soft. It comes with 2 pillows, but I play this was kind of known for me. So, and then there's a porch here. So there's the grill and the plants. This is not a real plant. So then the other room is the girls' room. So I have a lot of stuff here. They have TV, but here's a little tables, a little tablet. They were watching. Then here's their backpack. And then here's a comfy couch. And then it came with the lamp. And then I put these little pictures of Snoopy. And there's him there. And then here's their toys. There's a lot of toys. And then the dogs. And here so they can put their hair down. And so I had these 2 dolls, but they didn't came with the dream house. I bought this one, and then I bought this one. And this bed for them, it didn't came with it, but I just got it. And this came with my other dream house. I play that's their blankets. So, and there's a camera here. So we have the garage here, and here's Barbie's car. That's where she parks the car. And then there's more stuff so Ken can fix the car and stuff. I hope you liked this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!